I'm going to attempt to share my screen right now. There we go. Okay, so I like to start this with a little context because a lot of times when we talk about cannabis, the conversation is sort of around smoking weed, this still illicit in some places plant that it has quite a reputation, some of it unearned. So, what I really want you guys to be thinking about while we have this discussion is what are we targeting when we're using cannabis? Why does it work? Often I talk about how cannabis can be used to treat such a wide variety of conditions, and people are like, this sounds fake. Like, how can one thing work so well? And I promise you it's not snake oil. The key to this is understanding that our target is the endocannabinoid system. So it's one of the very largest receptor systems in our body, whose role is regulation, homeostasis. So it plays a crucial role regulating our physiology, our mood, and our day-to-day experience. As you can see, it's controlling things like sleep, energy, our autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for all the automatic processes of our body, our pain response, our immune system, our response to stress. So it is an amazing therapeutic target, and that is why we use it. We produce cannabinoids, which are the compounds both within the plant cannabis and within our own body. Those are the endocannabinoids. So just know that even if you've never used cannabis in your life, you have endocannabinoids flowing through your body all the time, helping you to, manage and live in this world. So think about the endocannabinoid system as our, main goals.